Yo, I want everybody, I don't know, say Negus Simara, and this is the second episode of Negus Speaks, you see me? And today we're gonna deal with the whole Will and Jada saga, you see me, and August too, you see me? I don't have much of an intro, so we'll just dive right tonight, you see me? Up.
This red table for me, just all the stuff that's going on in the press. I felt like it was important to come to the table to really clear the air. Somebody made a statement for me that wasn't a statement I made, that went cray-cray.
And one of the reasons why I wanted to come to the table is the media, the headlines. We specifically never said anything.
Yeah.
We were purposely not saying anything. Any headline that says Jada said or Will said or the Smith said is not true. We specifically never said anything.
See? And that's how the media work, you see me? Put words in people's mouth, even when it don't go like that. But I just want to say this. Can we all agree on how wrecked Will Smith look? Will Smith look mash up. Will Smith look destroyed. And Jada, she's still, you know what I mean? She's still fine. You know what I'm saying? Ever since her plastic surgery, she look like Iron Man helmet. You see me? But she still look fine. But anyways, yeah, she looks okay. Will Smith looks trashed. You see me? But back into it.
You know, and I feel like it's a situation that I consider private.
You just feel like it ain't really nobody's business.
But
But now Black Twitter has claimed it as their business.
Yo, Black Twitter don't play.
You know, I feel like it's healing that needs to happen.
And I'm here with you.
Yeah, I thank you for that because you've been on a hell of a journey with me. So that's what we're gonna start.
You've been on a hell of a journey with me. What is that supposed to mean? Damn. Like, is she like admitting that, yo, I'm a problem and I'm thanking you for sticking around? I don't know. Let me just continue watching.
And from there, you know, you and I were going through a very difficult time.
Yeah.
And we decided.
I was done with your ass.
Yeah, you kicked me to the curb.
I was done with you.
Yeah.
What did Jada do for Will to kick her to the curb? Well, she's not kicked to the curb no more because boom, you know what I'm saying? But like, for Will to be here, he's a very patient guy. You understand? So it's like, what did Jada do for him to kick her to the curb? And they're laughing about it right now. And it does take a level of maturity to be at this level right here. I'm not even gonna lie to you. If it was me,
marriages have that though.
Yeah,
Marriages have that.
They do.
We broke up.
We decided that we were going to separate for a period of time, and you go figure out how to make yourself happy, and I'll figure out how to make myself happy.
Well,
okay. So that's where that quote came from. You understand? You see, when that famous Will Smith quote came out, I'm not responsible for her happiness. She's responsible for her happiness. I only add to it. So they've been going through some stuff from then. I'm supposed to add to your happiness. You're supposed to be happy when you come into this relationship. You're not supposed to come in this relationship miserable and traumatized from past experiences, and I gotta be the cleanup guy. No man wants to be the cleanup guy. You are responsible for your own happiness, and Will Smith is right. But it goes to go to show the timeline. They've been going through this thing for a long time.
I think so. I mean, because this is your red table, and you like brought yourself to the red table. I think you need to say clearly what happened.
Damn. Yo. Jada face looks so normal, but pay attention to her breathing. Whenever the camera like gets the full shot of her sitting in a chair, just watch how much her shirt in her chest inflates and deflates, and look how fast she's breathing. Jada is nervous as hell right now. Like, she's breathing mad heavy. Like, look at her.
as far as what?
You and I decided we were going to take our
look at her chest.
And what happened.
Yeah, and then I got into an entanglement with August. That's what I said.
An entanglement?
Yeah.
You see? This is what I don't like with some people, you know. This is what I don't like with some people. It's not just women. It's mostly women that I see these things in, but it's men. Men do this too. The way you spoke to Will a while ago, it's like, it's crazy because you messed up. Right now, at this given point in time, you should be super humble. You should be super humble right now. She's letting it be known. I still run things. Listen to the way how she answered that question. That's what I just said. I was in an entanglement. What is an entanglement? What is that? What is an entanglement? It was an entanglement. Okay. Hello, Wells Fargo. Yeah, I noticed that you just sent me an overdraft fee. I just want you to know I'm not in debt. I'm just financially entangled. I'm in a financial entanglement. What? What? You're in a
Yes. Yes.
A relationship.
Yes. It wasn't.
You are in a relationship, mommy. Come on now, let's start the truth. Jada, you are super smart. And the way you choose and use your words, you are brilliant, ma'am.
Relationship, absolutely. I was in a lot of pain and I was very broken. Now, in the process of that relationship, I definitely realized that you can't find happiness outside of yourself.
Jada, you are so skilled, mama. You are grown as hell. What do you mean you realize you can't find love outside of yourself? You're grown. That's something a teenager should say. You have a platform where you give mad advice to people, some of which is good. A lot of what you teach these people and show them is great advice. But mama, don't try to be slick and try to be clever now. You're grown. Entanglement. I was broken. You don't look like you're broken. Will Smith look like he's broken. This man look like he's about to cry. You know what I mean? And you have people that sympathize with Jada so much. They sympathize with Jada like, oh my God, like something must be missing. She wasn't getting everything that she needed from the relationship. You guys are so sympathetic. I thought cheating was wrong no matter what. I thought cheating was wrong no matter what. If Will Smith cheated with a 25, 26, 27-year-old singer that was sick and depressed, you guys would call him a predator and say that he was using this young female. And then you have some of these same females that understand that you have men that prey on women like this and realize that, you know what they say now about August? They're not sympathizing with August. They're saying August is grown. He's a grown-ass man. He knew what he was getting himself into. That's crazy how society don't give a damn about men. Wow.
And luckily enough, you and I were also going through a process of healing in a much different manner. I would definitely say we did everything that we could to get away from each other, only to realize that that wasn't possible.
So we come to the red table. So
See, before Will Smith start talk, that right there, you have to understand when it comes to a long-term relationship, a lifetime bond, you got to remember now, it's going to be worse in my generation. Relationships don't last that long anymore. Salute to these two individuals right here that held it for as long as they could. You understand? Because they realized that they couldn't stay apart from each other. Some people would say that's true love. Some people would say that's toxicity. This, that, and the third. I don't know. Maybe I'm not at that level yet to where I can say, I can forgive my wife for stepping out. Know what I'm saying? Maybe when I get married, but right now, at this given point in time, I don't understand what's going on right here. I would leave with my mindset that I have right now.
I'm in the Jada position right now, so
Okay.
You during that time launched into an interaction with August. What do you feel like you were looking for?
I just wanted to feel good. It had been so long since I felt good. And it was really a joy to just help heal somebody. This was
because for me this was years ago, right? So the fact that it's coming up now, and I think it could feel weird for
Yeah. You see, August, bro, you acting like a emotional. Let me not say that. I don't like that you did that, but I understand how emotions work. I understand when you're vulnerable and you guys have talks of being together. I'm only assuming that you and Jada have talks of being together. You know what I'm saying? Especially like when you're having sex and stuff like that. He's probably telling her, you gonna leave Will for me? And she's like, yeah, I'm gonna leave Will for you. Oh, yeah. Because I've told girls that I'd never want to talk to ever again in my life that I love them during sex. God, I love you so much. I don't know your middle name. I don't even know your favorite color, but I'm telling you I love you during sex. And August probably believed all that sex talk Jada was giving him, and he ended up being hurt. I'm sorry, bro. That's just the way how the cookie crumbles, my G.
But I'm grateful for the journey that you and I have had together. Because I feel like there are a lot of couples that go through those periods.
Yeah.
And a lot of couples that have to separate and think it's over. And, you know, the one thing I'll say about you and I is that there's never been secrets.
Right. We came together.
There's never been secrets. So basically she's saying that, yo, we know what? They know what's been going on for the longest. I'm saying they know what's been going on for the longest. And she's right. And this is where the maturity comes in. You know what I'm saying? Because you were feeling this type of way before you separated. Man, I lost love, this, that, and the third. But it's just that dead spot that you've been going, you went through as a couple. That dead zone where the connection feels kind of iffy. It feels forced. It feels like you guys are emotionally drained right now. So you got to separate. You know what I'm saying? And I think personally, the way how I am, I think I'm going to need that in my relationship too. So I can't even knock this right here. I can't even knock a separation right here because people fall in and out of love. You know what I'm saying?
One of the things that I'm deeply grateful in this whole process between you and I is that we have really gotten to that new place of unconditional love.
Because I wasn't sure I was ever going to speak to you again.
I know.
Yeah, like the fact that I'm speaking to you again is a miracle.
Wow. I mean, I guess you can laugh at that, you know what I'm saying? But for Will Smith to say that and for her not to challenge it, like, yo, you're acting like you didn't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? It goes to show that Jada, she really, really messed up. And let's keep it funky. I've been hearing stories about these two for the longest time. I've been hearing stories about these two since I was a child. You know what I'm saying? Swingers, and this, that, and the third. I don't know how true that is, but I've been hearing mad stories about them for the longest while. But Jada must have did something for Will, because Will seemed like a very understanding guy. Like the last time I saw both of them on a red table, they were talking about something like, you know what I mean? She probably cursed at him. You know what I'm saying? And he was like, yo, I'm done with you. If you're going to use those words, I'm done with you. So for Will, the patient man that he seems to be, say, yo, I was done with your ass. It says a lot. She messed up big time.
I would agree.
See, she didn't even challenge him. I agree.
There's just certain things that you have to go through, and it's like...
And I wish, I wish that wasn't the case.
Nah, you just said you appreciated the journey. You just said you appreciated the journey. Don't go back on your word now, mama.
I wish that wasn't the case.
I sure wish it could be all magic and miracles.
Yeah. You got to go through some to get the answers. Mm-hmm. And I'm just happy because I definitely believe that you and we never, ever, ever thought that we would make it back.
Yeah, there's a real power in just knowing somebody's riding with you no matter what.
Yeah.
And you really can't know that
until you go
through some stuff.
Yeah, that is definitely right. And that goes with anything. It goes with family, it goes with friends, it goes with lovers. You don't know what you mean to people until you go through certain things. Certain things that will challenge you, certain things that will build you, certain things that will kill you. And if that person still is in your corner, you hold on to that funky bastard.
I don't want to go through this no more.
Yeah, no.
I'm going to get you back first, and then...
You going to get me back?
Yes.
I think you got me back. I think
Wait. Will, what did you do, you dirty dog? Ooh.
Okay, that's probably true.
Yeah, but, and I don't think it's about getting anybody back.
No, for me it is.
Okay.
Tell her again. You see, you should be humble as ever. You messed up. Just shut up. Oh, I don't think it's about getting back at enemy. Yes, it is. You gave it away. You gave it away to our son's friend. You gave it away to somebody that I'm double older than. Come on now, booby. You gave it away.
I'll give you that, Petty. That's what you want.
Seeing him laugh is so cringy.
I will definitely say.
Yo, no, man. Just look at Will Smith's face, dog. This man look ruined.
It's just part of it.
Yeah.
You know, if you expect to
Will
be
Smith looks
with somebody
ruined,
for a
dog.
lifetime.
25 years and counting.
We ride together.
We die together.
Bad marriage for life.
I don't know about you, but I didn't like that. That was so cringy. Ugh. That was so cringy. We ride together, we die together. Bad marriage for life. That was cringy as hell. That's not cute.
That's terrible.
It's the truth.
It's the truth.
But yeah, it's just part of the journey.
I told you the first year we were married
What'd you tell me?
that I can love you through anything.
And I didn't believe you.
Yeah.
If somebody looked through a crystal ball and said this, and this is gonna happen, I'd be like, no way.
Yeah. You thought I was that I didn't have the girth that it was going to take to ride with you through.
I didn't know if you would be willing to find the deep capacity to love me.
Yeah. How am I doing?
You're doing great.
I didn't know you could find a deep capacity to love me through this. Damn. As I said, I don't know if it's because I'm so young. You know what I'm saying? I'm not young like, you know what I mean? I'm in my late 20s. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, I'm not at Will's level to be that understanding or forgiving. Salute, Will Smith. Salute.
Yeah, you're awesome.
That right there was pretty good. Know what I'm saying? It was a pretty good watch. Jada said a whole bunch of nothing. She used nice words to, you know what I mean, basically cover up all the crap that she did, entanglement and blah, blah, blah. She wasn't humble enough during the apology, and I didn't like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, when you're apologizing, you should be super humble and super open to people's emotions and feelings and words, no matter how nasty they are, because you are the one who indeed messed up. You know what I'm saying? But that's the end of Negus Speaks, you know what I'm saying? Check out the next episode whenever, you know what I'm saying? If you guys like it, you know, comment, share, you like it, share it with your friends, you know what I'm saying? And remember to brush your teeth, you know what I'm saying? I'll see you guys the next time. This is Negus Speaks. Oh!